Feliz Navidad! We are this far away, these many days away from Christmas, and I couldn't be any more excited. Hello, welcome to Hearts and Crafts with Anna. I'm Anna. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. If you visited before, it is so good to see you again. On this channel, we share shopping hauls, create budget-friendly DIYs, and home decor. In today's video, I'm bringing you our Crafts at Work project. Every holiday, I set up a craft table, supplies, and a sample of the craft for my coworkers to make. This year, we're making candle holder centerpieces. I hope this video inspires you to make something beautiful. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video and you don't miss out on any of the upcoming fun. Now let's get to my crafting table. Follow me, come on, let's go. Ready? Vámonos. You're going to need some mesh. This mesh is 5.5 inches by 5 yards. This mesh is 6 inches by 3 yards. You're going to need 2 different pattern ribbons, an assortment of picks, flowers, and ornaments, 1 small wire wreath form, some chenille stems, and an LED candle. All of these supplies are from Dollar Tree. You're going to start off by twist tying a chenille stem at each crossbar on the outer ring. And then you're going to twist tie a chenille stem in between the 2 crossbars in the outer ring. When you have all the outer ring twist ties on, you're going to move to the middle ring and you're going to twist tie a chenille stem in between the existing chenille stems that are on the outer ring. The way I'm doing it in the video is not the way I'm saying it, so don't be confused by what you're seeing on the video and my explanation. So you should have 3 chenille stems between each crossbar on the outer ring and 2 chenille stems in between the crossbars in the middle ring for a total of 12 stems. 6 stems on the outside, 6 stems in the middle. Now for the mesh. You're going to start off by pinching about 1.5 inches of the mesh, tying it into the first stem on the outer ring, measuring 8 inches, poofing up your mesh, and twist tying it into the next stem on the outer ring. You'll measure 8 inches again, pinching it at the 8 inches and twist tying it into the next stem on the outer ring. You're going to do this all the way around until you get back to your starting point. Once you get to the starting point, you're going to measure out 8 inches, poof up your mesh, pinch the end, untie the first stem, and twist tie that poof into the first stem. You're going to measure out 8 inches, poof up your mesh, and tie it into the first stem of the middle ring, following that pattern all the way around until you get back to your starting point. Once you get to the starting point of the middle ring, you're going to measure out 8 inches, poof up your mesh, untie the last stem, add in your last poof, and cut the mesh, leaving about 1.5 inches tail. you're going to cut 12 7-inch strips of mesh and 12 8 strips of ribbon from each pattern. You're going to roll each strip of mesh, pinch it in the middle, untie the chenille stem, and twist tie the roll into each stem all the way around. You're going to dovetail the ribbons by folding them in half and cutting at a slant upward towards the end of the ribbon. Next, you're going to get one piece of each of your ribbons, crisscross them, pinch it in the middle, untie the chenille stem, and twist tie the ribbons into each of the stems, alternating ribbons and fluffing the tails as you go around. Now for the flowers and the candlestick. You're going to remove the flowers from the stem, attach it to the middle of the ribbon with the chenille stem, and then you're going to wrap the chenille stem around the end of a dowel, making a curlicue out of the chenille stem. You're going to attach the white flowers on every other ribbon on the outer ring. You're going to curlicue the chenille stems all around the ring, including the stems without flowers. You're going to hot glue the red flowers in the middle of the ribbons of the inside ring in between the white flowers of the outside ring. And now for the finishing touch, let's add the candle. Oh by golly, my co-workers slayed this craft at work project. Look how beautiful these turned out. Anybody would be proud to display these in their home. I really love the way these turned out. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Have a very Merry Christmas, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!